you'll find the windshield wiper washer lever to the right of the steering wheel. For intermittent wipers, rotate the windshield wiper knob to one of the first two detent positions. Rotate it to the third detent for low-speed wipers and to the fourth for high-speed wipers. For a single wiping cycle, push the lever up to the mist position and release. To use the windshield washer, pull and hold the lever toward you. The wipers will continue for 3 cycles after the lever is released. Then resume the intermittent interval previously selected. If the lever is pulled while in the off position, the wipers will operate for 3 cycles and then turn off. If equipped, the rain-sensing wiper feature senses moisture on the windshield and automatically activates the wipers for you. This feature can be enabled through your Uconnect system. Use the wiper washer lever's wiper delay settings to adjust the feature's sensitivity. Wiper delay position 1 is the least sensitive, and position 2 is the most sensitive. The feature disables in freezing temperatures. You'll find the multifunction lever left of the steering wheel. It controls most of your external lights. With the ignition off, rotate the end of the lever up to the first position to activate the parking lights. Rotate it to the first position with the ignition on to activate the low beam headlights. To activate the high beams, push the lever. Pull it toward you to turn them off. To signal another driver with your headlights, lightly pull the lever toward you. This flash to pass feature will activate the high beams until you release the lever. And of course, you know to move the lever down to signal a left turn and up to signal a right. Your vehicle also features lane change assist. Just tap the lever up or down once without moving beyond the detent. The turn signal will flash a set number of times to let other drivers know you're about to change lanes. Then automatically turn off. If equipped, you'll find the fog light control on the instrument panel to the left of the steering column. With the parking lights or low beam headlights on, push the control once to turn the fog lights on. Push it again to turn them off. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.